Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone's Face ID is not working or not recognizing your face, then we are here with some steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then all you have to do is go to the General and tap on the Software Update option available there. Once you do so, if there are any latest version of iOS, then make sure to install it. Sometimes Face ID issues are caused by software bugs which can be fixed by updating your iPhone. After you do so, simply scroll down on the settings and tap on the Face ID and passcode. First, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile password. After that, scroll down and there you'll get to see Reset Face ID in red highlights. Now all you have to do is tap on it and reset your Face ID. Once you are done, you can simply use your new Face ID to open your account or phone. After this, all you have to do is go back to the settings, tap on the general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. If none of the above steps work, then you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset your settings to default. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.